Are you thinking of how to give a personalized experience to your customers? Is managing bookings and appointments stressful? Sometimes attending an infected person is scary, and due to your profession, you can't help it. So I have a solution for all this, from which you can say goodbye to all your stress. Hi, this side Nishtha. Today we'll discuss Magento 2 multi-vendor Zoom integration. With the help of this integration, the vendors can easily host a live conference with their customers, and that too just by one click. The customers can easily book an appointment from the storefront as per their required schedule. The admin can also manage the configuration and the seller part from the admin backend panel. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Before knowing more about this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the latest update from us. Here, as you can see, I'm on the admin backend panel, and with the help of username and password, I'm going to sign in. Click on sign in. It will redirect towards the dashboard of this panel, and here on the left hand side, you can see the store option is there. You have to click on this store option, then click on configuration. In the configuration, you can see an option is there, Marketplace Zoom. You have to click on this. So here you have to enter the account ID, client secret ID, event secret key. All these settings you will get once the integration of the APIs will be done from the backend, and from there only you will get all these options, and then you can enter all those from here. And now the Zoom email templates. These are the templates which the customer, the host and the admin will going to receive once there will be a change. If you want to change the template of the email, so you can also change that. For that you have to click on this marketing option, and here you can see the email templates is there. So here you can enter the template whichever you want to send to the customer or to the seller or to the admin. So that content will going to save, and you can just select it by clicking here and can save it. The next option is event meeting notification. This is the notification which will going to send to the seller and the customer for a prior information. For example, you want to give a notification to the customer before the meeting started. So it can be before 1 hour, before 15 minutes, before 30 minutes. It depends on you. The first and the second notification, the time which you will going to mention, at that particular time, the email will going to send for a prior reminder to the customer and the seller. The clone settings, this we have to set for the frequency, that at from which frequency the mail will going to send to the customer or to the seller. You can set it daily, weekly and monthly. And once you are done with all these settings, you can click on save configuration. The settings which you have changed from the configuration, they will going to save. Now moving on to the second option, that is marketplace management. Click here, then manage seller. I will show you how you can manage your sellers. So here, as you can see, I'm already having an existing accounts for 3 of the sellers, and if in case you want to create a new seller, so let me show you how you can create a new seller. Click on admin, customer view, and from here you have to click on create an account. Now you have to write down the first name and the last name. For example, I'm writing. Now I write down the email. Do you want to become a seller or vendor? So you have to tick this yes. Now the shop URL, I'm writing it. The password. Confirm password. Now create an account. Now you can see the account has been created for the seller. So we'll move back to our admin panel and we'll refresh this page. The seller which we have created is here. So right now the Zoom account status is no, and we want to change the status. So for that we'll click on here. Now click on actions. We have to create a Zoom account. So for that we will click on create Zoom account, and it is asking for the assurance. So click on OK. Now an email is going to send to the seller. So once the email will receive at the seller part, seller will going to create a Zoom account from there. Let me show you how that happened. So for that we're going to open this Gmail. See, like this the seller will receive a mail, and here the seller have to approve the request. Now click on approve the request. Now moving back to the admin backend panel. Here we're going to again check it, and now click on actions. Check Zoom account status, that either it is created or not. Give assurance. See, the status has been changed. So once the seller will give a approval for the Zoom account, it will going to change the status of the Zoom account status. So now we're going to add a product in the seller panel. Click on marketplace management, view bookings products, and from here you can add a new product, that is add new booking, appointment booking, and here you have to enter all the details like product name. I'm writing the product name. Now the price for the same, the quantity, categories, in which category you want to place this, cancellation available. You have to select the seller from here, then only it will going to reflect on the seller storefront. So I'm choosing Peter John. Now the location, show map with location, yes. Contact button should be visible to everyone or to the customers who have logged in. You can select this from here. Now enter the slot duration, how much time the consultation will going to work or will going to proceed. The break time, the prevent scheduling, that is 15 minutes. Availability, that is every week. Same slots for all days. Slot has quantity. Now you have to select the span time, like slot span, from which time to which time the customer can able to book the slot or the appointments will be able to available. Now slot span. Once you are done with all these changes, you have to click on this save option. Once the changes have been saved, there is a pop-up that you save the product. So now we're going to check this product on the admin back, on the storefront of this panel. So for that, we're going to move towards our storefront. Here, this is the panel of the seller. So we're going to click on my product list. Once you click on my product list, here you can see the product which we have created right now is appearing here. So like this, the customer can book this appointment from here. So let me show you how the customer can book the appointment from the storefront. So for purchasing a product as a customer, we have to log in as a customer. So from here, I'm going to log in as a customer by entering the email and the password. We'll click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, there is an option of test category. You have to click on that test category because we have added that product in the test category. So once you click on test category, it will appear here. This is the product which we have created, and from here the customer can book an appointment as per their required time. So from here they can select a date and select time. Now click on book now. It will going to add to cart. Proceed to checkout. Place order. You can see the order has been placed. Thank you for your purchase. So now we're going to move back towards our seller panel so that we can check that the order have been placed or not. And once the customer have placed any of the order, the seller will also going to receive a mail for the same and the customer as well. Here, as you can see, I'm on the seller panel and on the left hand side I'm going to click on my order history. See, the order which the customer has placed is visible here. So here we can see the order ID, date and the status. View order, create Zoom meeting link and send meeting mail. So from here you can check the details of the order, and if you want to create a Zoom meeting link from here, you can just click on this create Zoom meeting link. And for the same, if you want to send again a mail, so you can click on this send mail, meeting mail. So I'm clicking on create Zoom meeting link. Once I'm going to create Zoom meeting link, the seller and the customer both will going to receive a link of the meeting. See, the status have been changed, that meeting link created. So let me show you how that meeting link will going to share on the seller part. See, this way the seller will going to receive a mail regarding the meeting link, and like the same way the customer will also going to receive a meeting link for the same. Once the seller or the customer will going to click on this click here, they will redirect towards the Zoom meeting page, and from here they can launch the meeting and can attend the Zoom meeting. Moving back to our channel panel, if we're going to refresh this page, once the seller and the customer both will going to enter the meeting, this pending status will going to change into processing. So right now only the seller have been entered in the meeting, that's why the status haven't changed yet. So apart from this, the seller can also check few settings from this Zoom meeting system by clicking on Zoom meeting. Here the configuration of the seller they can check, and the next is Zoom calendar. In the Zoom calendar, the seller can check at what time or at which date the slots have been booked, or at which date the slots are not booked, which are available. So here you can see the slots have been visible. And the next option is Zoom meeting list. Here all the Zoom meeting list will going to appear to the seller which have been appointed or booked. So like this we can check all the settings at the seller panel as well. Magento 2 multi-vendor Zoom integration is an essential tool for all the multi-vendor marketplace who are looking to enhance their customer sales and loyalty. Try it out and see the benefits it can bring to your business. For more query, doubt or suggestion, you can reach us at support@webcool.com, or you can also raise a ticket at webcool.uvdesk.com. And also, if you found this video helpful, do press the like button and share your views in the comment section below. See you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.